Welcome back. In this video, we're going to try to find this limit. So here our function is the sine of x, ln of x. And we want to find the limit as x goes to 0. In fact, we want to find the limit as x goes to 0 from the right. Since here the natural log is defined when x is bigger than 0. Okay, so if we start and evaluate, we're gonna have the limit of the sine as x goes to 0 is 0, and this one here is minus infinity. So we're gonna have a problem here. Okay, a quick way to find this limit is that we can use the fact that the limit of sine of x over x as x goes to 0 is 1. Okay, here that's the key that we're going to use here. So let's do it. So we have the limit of the sine of x over x times x ln of x as x goes to 0. Here we know the limit of the sine of x over x as x goes to 0, and also here this limit here, the as x goes to 0 from the right is 0. Why? Because we know that the power, okay, wins versus the log. This is not a proof, but we can prove it using many other techniques. Okay, one key idea that we can use here is that we can write this limit as the natural log of x over 1 over x as x goes to 0 plus here. So here we're gonna have infinity minus infinity over infinity, and we can apply the L'Hopital's rule. Once we do that, we're gonna have the limit as x goes to 0, 1 over x over minus 1 over x squared. Okay, so here we can simplify one more step. So we're gonna have minus x squared over x as x goes to 0, 0 plus. So it's gonna be minus the limit of x as x goes to 0 plus, and this is simply 0. So this is a quick way of proving that. So we have 0 times 1, and so we said this is 1, and this is 0, and therefore we have 1 times 0, which is 0. So the limit here of this quantity, the limit of sine of x, ln of x as x goes to 0 from the right is 0. Okay, is there any other technique that we can use? Yes, there are many techniques, but this is enough since we know this one here. We have proved this one using L'Hopital. What if we don't know L'Hopital? How can we prove this one here? Okay, so how to prove this limit here if we don't know L'Hopital? This one, and also how to prove it if you don't know that the power wins versus the log. So that's what we're gonna do next time. Thank you.